Hello guys, so what you are seeing here is animal, cattle and sheep injection. Just animal injection for their health care. So we take care of them. So that is the nature of our business. We are WUZIE General Enterprise. We are the king of agricultural products supplied from the north. And this one is for
spray
against insects and ticks.
like scent.
Like
against
a
insects and ticks. That's what we handle here.
This is not an injection, it's just a pump.
So
This is
you can contact me 08133577465. Alright, let's get inside so you can see bingo feed. Bingo foods for dogs. Alright, so we have the accounts all available. Enter into the second is the accounts, animal accounts, dogs, all kinds of animals. You can see them right away. See dogs, their feet. That's all you're seeing here. Thank you very much. Hello guys, so what you are seeing here is animal health care. Their health care. So this is rope for dog. This is brushing animal teeth. Your pets, you need to take care of them. So that rope is for dog, cats and all of them, all the pets that you have. Then we have their perfume idea. This one is for cats. Alright, so you can see the feeding material. You can see the feeding material, plates and so on. Then this is where you have their fragrance. All of these materials you are seeing, their perfume for pets, all of them. So you can reach out to me. Alright, so this is how you see them. Amazing stuff. Alright, all you need that has to do with animal pets, their medication, we have them in abundance. Their medication, their health care, their feeding, anything that has to do with animals and pets, we have them. Is it cow, is it goat, is it ram, is it pet, cat, dogs, all anything that has to do with their concern. This is the dog
Is the
puppy milk. This is their milk.
Yeah.
You can see right there. So we have them in abundance. Just contact me, reach out to me. You can come to our office right here in Kano State. You can come to our office, or we do web bill. We send it to wherever you are in Nigeria.